What I would like to explain is how to utilize chiropractic care. And if you understand this, you could avoid a pitfall that we've been taught since we were very young in our culture. One of the things that we do is we treat symptoms, and we do a treatment plan. We get a diagnosis for some disease, disorder, problem, or symptom, and then we treat it until the symptom's gone. And that has been hardwired into our brains. And for you to get the most impact out of what we do, understanding that that's not necessarily the best approach, is going to give you a new perspective that allow you to get more out of what we do. The way to do it is not necessarily treat it, it's to use it as a lifestyle or a tool. Now, one of the things that if you do choose to use it as a treatment, I would joke and say the treatment is from birth till death. If you understand chiropractic is a part of a healthy lifestyle, you'll use it in harmony, in a cycle, and you use it just like you would brush your teeth, or you do it with maintenance on your car. You just choose to do it because it's something that you do to improve the function of your body and the overall expression of your life. So that's in a nutshell, a way out of our cultural belief system that we do a treatment. Even though you may see back pain clear up, headaches go away, immune system function return, skin conditions clear up. Even though it's not your first impression with chiropractic, it's usually neck pain, back pain, and headaches, but you do see other things in this office clear, that is something that you can adopt as this new perspective that, hey, you know what, even though my symptoms are clearing, that doesn't mean I'm done treating, because it's not a treatment anyways. It's a perspective, or it's a lifestyle decision that helps you get from being in a model of treating disease, disorder, and symptoms into a new perspective on how to improve function in life. When you use chiropractic as a treatment, it is not necessarily your best bet. So I would suggest using it more as a lifestyle where you're in a cycle. You use it just like you brush your teeth or you do maintenance on your car for the purpose of getting optimum expression out of your car, yourself, your teeth. The vehicle of life is not something that you want to look at and just try and put out fires. Once you have a symptom, treat it. It is much more effective to have some kind of regular maintenance approach, or what I would call a wellness approach to your body. You do things not because you're trying to remove what's wrong, but because you know you want to have what's right. Like eating good food. Do you only eat good food when you have a problem, or do you do it because you know you want to stay at optimum? It's a different perspective. You'll attract way more benefit from your body if you use it that way. Another idea is exercise. Do you only exercise when things are wrong, or do you do it just because you want to get healthy and have an optimally functioning body? Same thing with chiropractic. It's easy, again, to get caught up in the slippery slope once a pain goes away that chiropractic worked. And it's also easy to get caught up when pain doesn't go away that chiropractic didn't work. It is not to treat symptoms. And when you use it that way, you could get caught up in the slippery slope and miss the opportunity to understand chiropractic is much bigger than that. And when you get adjusted and you have life expression interference removed, you have things that start to heal. Like, for instance, there's tissues that start to heal that you don't feel, but your back pain doesn't clear. You stop allowing that process because you would get off track and say, you know what, my back pain's still there, my neck pain's still there, I'm still having these other issues, so it must not be working, I'm going to go off and do something else instead. It is not an instead. It's like saying, well, I'm drinking water, and I tried that didn't work, so I'm going to go off and do something else instead. Or I've been eating good food, I've tried exercise, I've tried all these healthy things, I'm going to stop doing that, I'm going to go back out and look for some answer on the outside. It is a holistic approach. It includes eating right, thinking right, sleeping right, exercise, and clearing your nerve system. When you have all of these holistic perspectives together, it's not one end-all be-all, it's all of them together. And understanding that with chiropractic care, if something clears or doesn't clear, that is a road down a slippery slope. When you look at that, it is not to fix some symptom, even though they do go away and sometimes don't. That is a huge concept. If you understand it, you're going to get way more out of what we do.